Welcome to the 2020 school year. This is interactive media. As you can see, this course is in development. It's new this year. There's really not a textbook for it, so we're using multiple different resources to accomplish the goals. And just real quick, I'm going to put this on here. This is our state standards for the class, and I'll get that into the files so you can look through that and get an idea of what we're going to be doing. But just kind of to navigate through the website, you're going to have daily instructions and objectives, and that's where your videos will be posted. Either it'll be me talking or actually see me doing something on the board, or I'll include videos from other sources, and then you'll complete an activity until we can get back into the classroom. So today it's about why are you taking interactive media? An attendance quiz, and then the completion model. So on the home page, this is the way it's going to look to start with, and there'll be some buttons on here. The interactive media prepares students for careers in business and industry, working with interactive media products and services, which include the entertainment industries. This course emphasizes the development of digitally generated or computer-enhanced products using multimedia technologies. Some students will develop understanding of professional business practices, including the importance of ethics, communication skills, the knowledge of the virtual workplace. This course will allow students to experience various software programs, including or involving in creating multimedia presentation, digital movies, digital animation, introductory scripting. Students explore the role of contemporary marketing and design. So it's a whole bunch of stuff. So if you've had me in the past, if you had me in middle school and we did, well, I don't think I have any freshmen, but we did some game design, app design, writing some HTML code for websites. It includes that. It includes communicating your ideas, how to sell things, how to market different products, classes, how to market yourself as an individual, how to do some digital movie stuff. So we'll use a variety of things. Right now we have nothing that's set in stone or say, hey, we have to do all digital movies this way. But we'd like to do some videos on our different sports teams and different things going on at school, and be able to put those onto the websites, and so, or maybe even helps teachers create online videos or things that they can use in their classroom, and you guys do the animation and stuff for that. So it's really, those projects are going to evolve as we find new things, and we're not going to be tied into that it has to be this way. So interactive media is, it's going to grow as everybody puts in their thoughts and ideas, and we're going to meet the requirements of this. So this page will grow, and the website, the Canvas page will gain more information as we get that stuff in there. So just make sure you create the finish the module for today. We will meet twice a week in Zoom meetings. Those Zoom meetings will be on Tuesday from 12:30 to 1 and Thursday from 10 to 10:30. And you'll be required to meet in at least one of those meetings per week. And that will be in a graded discussion part of your class. So make sure that you're logging on every day. If you have questions, email me. And here's looking forward to a great year and seeing you guys back to school in a couple weeks. Have a great day.